Hey everybody, Steve here, and today we're taking a look at, yes, this right there, a punctured hole in our FEP for our Saturn III Ultra. What we're going to end up doing today is we're going to try to change out this FEP. So the first thing we're going to end up doing is we're going to take these screws at each corner and we're going to remove these. We'll just take these and remove them. And remember to gauge how tight these are, because that will definitely help when you put these all back together. So now that we've done that, we're going to go ahead and we're going to start removing the screws, which are 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 screws. And here we can already see there is some residue from the resin that we can see that is in these holes. So what we'll have to do is make sure that we clean this up with some IPA that we have. So now we've got that, what we can end up doing is hopefully popping this out like so. And we've got more screws. Oh joy. Okay, so now pull this up. You can see that this is all kind of resin remnants in there, so we'll definitely have to clean this up. Let's get a little bit of IPA. There's our old FEP. We can get rid of that. So now, this is our FEP, actually our ACF, but everybody calls it an FEP. We have our ACS film, and again, the shiny side is going to be up, and what we end up seeing is that it says, after the resin tank is removed and cleaned, tear off the middle protective layer film of the new release film first. To confirm the installation direction of the film, put the new release film into the 2mm, two metal sheets and tighten the 28 screws. Cut off the excess of the edges, making sure the release film is clean and free of scratches. Put into the resin tank and tighten the remaining 16 screws, and then you're going to have your last 4 set screws. So this, it says here, this side of the film will touch the resin after installation. So that's going to be this side here. So we're actually going to be sitting it down like this, and then we will be putting this on, and then this is going to be the side that's going to have contact with the resin, which is the shiny side up and the dull side down. We will follow this exactly the way that it says to do it. So now that we've got that, so now what I'm doing is putting this on there. The question is, it doesn't mention about poking holes in this. We're just going to start in this bottom corner. Oh, it does go through. I'm just going to tighten it just a little bit. And so we'll kind of do the star configuration. So we'll go over on this side. Alrighty, so we're done with that. It talks about trimming away the edges with an X-Acto knife, so we're going to go ahead and do that. And we just so happen to have said X-Acto knife. Alrighty, good with that. So now what we end up doing is like so. and it will set in just like that. So now we're going to go ahead and put these in. I'll just put those a little finger tight, not too tight. Remember, you have these holes here and here, which are going to be used for your screws to hold the vat into your machine. Now we have our 4 screws that go in the corners. Alrighty, and there we go. Sounds good. So, there you have it, folks. Changing out your FEP with the Saturn 3 Ultra with the Elegoo Saturn 3 ACF release liner film. Hopefully this will last time for a long time. So in summary, what we ended up doing is changing out the ACF film for our Saturn 3 Ultra. Not a hard process, just a lot of screws. Pay attention to detail. I would have appreciated some picture coloring drawings because I'm kind of a picture guy. But we're able to complete that task. Now, so if you've learned anything in this video, please give this video a like and subscribe, and also hit that bell to get future notifications of other videos where it could be about resin printing, it could be about painting miniatures. I also have some videos on us retiring here in Korea, retiring overseas. So if that's an interest to you, join the channel. And every now and then I'll have some commentary videos of what's going on in the world, and I also have some fitness information as well. So something should appeal to somebody. So again, be sure to like, subscribe, and smash that bell. I would really appreciate it. Alrighty, with that being said, we'll see you on the next video. Peace. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to stay up to date with what's going on with us, the buried life as we're retired in Korea. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.